How to create a successful business marketing plan. It is a real challenge to work out an efficient marketing strategy, put it into practice and manage its progress. Many new sole traders or solo entrepreneurs will say that it can't be that difficult to create a marketing plan. Write a successful marketing plan. It is quite simple to create a marketing plan. It requires some time and energy to write a successful marketing plan. There is a huge difference between going through the motions of pursuing a generic marketing plan and formulating and following a completely tailored plan that suits your specific company requirements. Not every business is the same, and therefore marketing plan differs from business to business. There are some tips that will help you to work out exactly who your target market customers are and gain their attention by formulating a marketing plan. Who are your target clients? Firstly, you will be required for more detailed information about your target clients than their age and gender. Here is where creating your customer avatar comes into significance. You can sell a single product or service that targets a niche audience so that you can create a customer avatar easily, that will be the type of person that would benefit directly from your product or service. You will need to build various avatars to fit your end customer specifications if you have more than one product or service to sell. Or if your product or service appeals to more than one gender and age range, you will need various avatars to really understand your target audience. Create customers' avatars. By writing a brief description of your average end user, you can generate your ideal customer avatar. Think of them as a real individual and define them as a friend or individual you met in real life. This can assist you better understand the requirements, desires, problems and motives of your customer that drive them to make purchasing decisions and eventually lead them to buy from you. You will also be given insight into your service or product placement by knowing where your ideal customer stores are and how they spend their leisure time. If your customer avatar spends a lot of time on Facebook instead of spending time reading magazines, then you should look at using targeted Facebook ads on their timeline. This would be more cost-effective than paying out for an expensive magazine feature that completely misses the attention of your avatar. Keep your ROI checked. It will be essential to maintain a detailed report on your marketing expenditure and return on investment. There will always be a period of testing to go through before you reach a successful marketing formula that sees a decent ROI. Agree to what your overall budget will be and stick to it. How much money you will spend on advertising and marketing is up to you. You may choose to split your budget evenly between 3 different approaches. Seeing the impact of each type of advertising on your sales will show where to shift your budget around to invest more money in the most effective approach. Too many new startups make the error of expanding their net wide and spreading their marketing budget too thin to create a good impact. However, this system becomes routine and the company becomes complacent with their approach. This is the reason why you need to plan a long test period in which you will try out many different approaches over the weeks and months to see what ROI you are getting. Have a flexible plan for marketing. Once you have done a period of testing to find what works for you and gives you a decent ROI, you should operate this strategy. It is a significant strategy for any company to become complacent with your sales and marketing strategies. Direct marketing is not working nearly as well as it did in the 1950s. People are now looking for real engagement and trust in the companies from which they purchase. Therefore, you need to win their hearts. People like to be told a story, thus it is your task to tell them a positive and engaging story around your product or service. This includes how your product or service helps a customer with a problem. You must test your marketing plan so that you can meet with the ever-changing mood of your potential customers and estimate how their minds are affected by the current economy or environment that results in changing their ways of spending money. Before we go to the last point, I would like to tell you that this video is sponsored by RTRSupportsLimited.com. RTR Supports Limited can provide UK company and bank account in one day. Please visit rtrsupportslimited.com for more information. Update other elements of your marketing plan. You will also need to adjust your customer avatar to represent any changes so that you remain on point with understanding your end customer and how to reach them. Keep your marketing plan smooth, so that you will be able to change over time and keep your company ahead of the curve rather than complacent. Another point to remember is that your marketing and promotional activity will be much more useful when your clients see that you are a legally registered limited company. Thank you. Please share your reviews and ask if you have any questions regarding this video in the comments section below. We'll answer you shortly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.